Situé au cœur de trois agglomérations, l'agglomération de Montpellier, l'agglomération du Pays de l'Or.
Situated between the urban areas of Montpellier, Sète, and the Pays de l'Or, the Natura 2000 site of Les Étangs palavasiens, a series of coastal lagoons or lakes linked by the Rhône to Sète Canal, covers an area of 6,500 hectares and includes the catchment area of Les and the coastal lagoon or étang de Thau. The area is under the aegis of a water management organization called SAGE and has been recognized for its remarkable biodiversity. Unique landscapes surround the lakes, the freshwater wetlands of Méjean, the former salt marshes of Frontignan and Villeneuve, the reed beds of the Réserve naturelle nationale of Estagnol, as well as the coastal dunes of Villeneuve and Arresquier. In the heart of the saline and freshwater lagoons, on a former volcanic island, rises the Cathedral of Magalone, a veritable fortress surrounded by trees and vineyards. In addition to their biological importance, the lagoons and surrounding wetlands provide many other benefits, including a reduction in the intensity of flooding, a unique living environment for local residents, as well as a base for several economic activities, such as the particularly important one of tourism, the traditional fishery practiced by about 30 professional fishermen, the production of Muscat de Frontignan and Mireval from the AOC classified vines, and the breeding of horses and bulls by about 20 local breeders. These natural spaces have been, and still are, undergoing profound modifications, such as pressure from land developers, unauthorized building of huts, infilling of ponds, degradation of water quality, and overuse by the public, all of which threaten their fragile existence. Public authorities, various associations, scientists, and people in socio-professional fields are mobilizing to protect this unique heritage. 20 natural habitats of interest to the community, including 4,000 hectares of coastal lagoons, 50 species of rare plants, 45 species of noteworthy birds, a nursery for many aquatic fry. The target document for the Natura 2000 project was established and validated by all concerned associations and involves the following 7 communities: Frontignan, Latte, Palavasiens, Pérol, Mireval, Vic-la-Gardiole, and Villeneuve-les-Magalons. The preservation of indigenous habitats and species is one of the main priorities of the target document. Area farmers, including those based in the community of Latte, are participating in the project and will be able to play an important role.
Et en même temps, c'est aussi de protéger le plantain cornu qui est dans cette zone-là aussi. Plantain cornu qui est une espèce rare et qui est très protégée, voilà, qui est très rare dans le secteur, enfin, sur le Languedoc-Roussillon.
Et bon, quand même, on s'y retrouve parce que, bon, là, on voyait qu'ils repoussent le long.
Oui, tout à fait, ouais.
Mais bon, les bêtes, là, elles vont, je pense qu'elles vont le manger comme il est fin. Et puis, on voit de l'herbe qui sort, rentre, que ça, on ne l'avait plus.
Et pour nous, en tant que gestionnaire, en fait, la gestion pastorale, c'est un vrai outil pour préserver cette biodiversité. Donc, il est important qu'on arrive à travailler ensemble.
Thanks to a national plan of action coordinated regionally by the Languedoc-Roussillon Conservatory of Natural Spaces, the European pond turtle, a species of special interest to the EU, receives particular attention. It is welcomed, watched, and studied on the Réserve naturelle nationale of Estagnol and at the Méjean site. The little tern, a protected species, is widely present throughout the entire site in breeding season. However, their situation became more fragile with the expansion of the population of the yellow-legged gull and by the unsupervised movement of tourists during this period. A Natura 2000 contract was created in order to favor the colonies of little tern through the sterilization of the gull's eggs and the use of nets to protect the tern's nesting sites. On all Natura 2000 sites, in order to protect natural resources and biodiversity, working groups arrange meetings with the users of the lakes, including professional fishermen, among whom there is a huge concern about water quality. Some associations have made a commitment to the Natura 2000 Charter, with the result that the 8 hunting groups in the region now act in a more rational and respectful way in order to protect the natural environment by picking up used cartridges and litter from around the lagoons. In order that all projects are understood and accepted locally, Ciel, the organization that manages the lagoons and the shoreline, arranges meetings with users of the area.
Et qui pratiquent leur sport sur les lagunes littorales.
Because of the ecological impact of industrial work on the wetlands, inventories and environmental impact studies are routinely carried out, and local councils are consulted in order to reduce the effects of development. The recovery and conservation of wildlife species depend on water quality. To meet this objective, Ciel introduced the program Vert Demain, Green Tomorrow, which aims for the reduction of the use of pesticides and fertilizer in this area.
Et depuis 2008, du coup, c'est aujourd'hui l'ensemble des communes des étangs palavasiens qui ont suivi l'exemple de la commune de Pérol, qui sont aussi engagées dans le programme Vert Demain et qui, petit à petit, vont aussi vers un abandon des pesticides.
A new dynamic is underway on the Natura site of Les Étangs Palavasiens. Today, all of us are able to change our habits in respecting and obeying the regulations displayed on the information panels we see on our walks. We are invited by the managers of these natural areas to discover the wealth and beauty of these wetlands.